What's the meaning of camcorder? Camcorder. Camcorder.
Camcorder. Camcorder. A camcorder is an electronic device used to record video and audio onto a storage medium such as a videotape, CD, or digital memory card. It combines a video camera and a video recorder into one unit, allowing users to capture live events with sound and save them for later viewing. Camcorders typically include features such as zoom, image stabilization, and white balance control, as well as a LCD display screen. They come in various sizes and formats, from small handheld models to larger professional-grade units. Camcorders are commonly used for home movies, family events, and professional videography.